Welcome to Ideal Weight Calculator, where you can find out how much you should weigh. To find your ideal weight, you need to know your gender, your current weight, your current height, and your frame size. Body mass index is calculated and compared to an ideal weight for your size and shape. How much weight you need to lose or gain is calculated and the results are displayed in the results field. To use the calculator, first select your gender. Female is pre-selected. Men will have to select their gender. Note, an incorrect gender selection will skew results and may result in undue anxiety. Be sure to have the right gender selected. Next, import your frame size. To find your frame size, you need a tape measure and an elbow. Elbow width is compared to the average size for a medium-built person, male or female. To determine your elbow width, with your thumb and forefinger, measure the widest point of your elbow bone. Then measure the distance between your thumb and forefinger with a tape measure. Use the Choose Frame Size tooltip to pop up the elbow width chart to help determine your frame size. If your measurement falls within the range shown, you are a medium-built person. If your measurement is bigger, you are a large-built person. If your measurement is smaller than the range shown, you are a small-built person. However, everybody is different. If you are familiar with your frame size, you can skip the measuring. Select your frame size, small, medium, or large, in the calculator. Next, enter your current weight. You can either use the slide bar or enter a number in the entry field. Next, enter your current height in feet and inches. With either the slider bars or the entry fields, enter the number of feet tall you are. Then enter the remaining inches in the next field. When satisfied with your entries, click the What Should I Weigh button. Results are calculated and shown in the results field. A determination of your protein range needed to lose or gain the weight needed to reach your ideal weight is shown. To clear or reset the calculator, click the Clear Reset button. Once you know your protein range, move on to Step 2. Click the link at the bottom of the page or in the menu in the top menu bar. Page 2 shows the protein range needed to lose or gain weight to reach your ideal weight. These numbers may differ from person to person but are pretty accurate for most. Page 3 shows different weight loss programs offered by Herbalife.